Hello children, last time we have learned about the acid, base and their properties. We also learned about the types of acid and types of base. We have learned strong acid, strong base, weak acid and weak base. Now we are going to learn here how strong acid or a base is. Let's start children. We all know water molecule, that is H2O, it is made up of two kinds of ions, hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions. Hydrogen ion, you already know, responsible for acidic behavior. Hydroxyl, responsible for basic behavior. When these two ions are combining, one molecule of water is forming. And we all know water is neutral in nature. On the basis of this character, Sorensen has devised one scale which is called pH scale, and the reading of pH scale started from 0 and end up to 14. The left hand side from 0 to 6.9, the values 0 to 6.9 shows the acidic nature. 7 pH is neutral. From 7.1 to 14, it is alkaline or basic in nature. Now children, now please hear it carefully. You already know that water is made up of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. And when I am adding some acid into it, for example hydrochloric acid, so hydrogen ions will also come from acid. Some hydrogen ions are already present in the water along with hydroxyl ions, and when I am adding hydrogen ions in a form of acid into it, the concentration of hydrogen ions will become in excess, and due to the excess of hydrogen ion concentration, acid used to show acidic properties. Now next, it's totally ulta, it's reverse. What it is? For example, you have taken water. In water, hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions already present. Now you have added some base into it. Base, that means on ionization they are going to give us hydroxyl ions. Some hydroxyl ions are already present in the water solution, and some has come in the form of base. So in solution, what has happened? Now the concentration of hydroxyl ions become excess, and due to the presence of hydroxyl ions, solution become basic and it is showing basic properties. So children, I am here telling you pH scale is 7 pH value is for neutral solutions, 0 to 6.9 for acidic solutions, 7.1 to 14 for basic solutions. Now see this chart. Carefully see it. Here the chart is showing if the value of any acid is 0 to 3.5, it is considered as strong acid, like mineral acid. When 3.5 to 6.9, weak acid. 7.1 to 10.5, weak base. 10.5 to 14, strong base. So children, see carefully at the corners of the pH scale. Left hand side corner, there are strong acids which will be showing you the red color on pH paper. On the right hand side corner of pH paper is the strong base which will be showing you violet color on pH paper. In terms of hydrogen ion concentration, when you are moving from left to 6.9. I'm saying you, when we are moving from strong acid to weak acid on pH paper, so I can say here there will be decreasing in hydrogen ion concentration. Concentration means quantity. Hydrogen ion concentration will keep on decreasing when I am moving on pH scale from 0 to 6.9. Why? Because strong acids are the one which remain fully ionized and they used to occupy the corner position of pH scale, and the hydrogen ion concentration will keep on decreasing when I am turning up from strong acid to weak acid. Likewise, I can say that when I am moving from left to right on pH scale from 0 to 14, hydrogen ion concentration will keep on decreasing. Why? Because after 7.1, the basic character will start increasing. Whereas, while moving from left to right on pH scale, the hydroxyl ion concentration will start increasing. And when it is started increasing, the basic character will also increase. So one last time I want to recapitulate it. pH scale is the measurement of the strength of an acid or a base. pH scale started from 0 and on 14. 7 pH is for neutral, 0 to 6.9 for acidic, 7.1 to 14 for basic solutions. At the corners, 0, 1, 2, 3 strong acids, 11, 12, 13, 14 strong base. As we are moving from left to right on pH scale, hydrogen ion concentration will keep on decreasing. As we are moving from left to right on pH scale, hydroxyl ions will keep on increasing. Why? On moving from left to right, acidic character is decreasing. On moving from left to right, basic character is increasing. So this is the concept, children. I am sending you these two videos simultaneously, this pH one and the base, along with the notes. Note down in your CW. Thank you.